Our body can recognize millions of enemies, that is pathogen. But have you ever wondered how does immune system identifies what is dangerous and what is not? The answer lies in one tiny but powerful thing called as antigen. Welcome to SK Biology. This video is about antigen. An antigen is any substance that stimulates the immune system and triggers the production of antibodies or activates immune cell. In simple words, an antigen is something that the body identifies as a foreign. The word antigen comes from antibody generating substance, that is anti from antibody and generating means gen, so it becomes antigen. Harmful organisms and substances can be act as a antigen like viruses, bacteria, toxins, parasites, fungi, pollen and some foreign proteins. Whenever these enter the body, our immune system becomes active and start defense mechanism. Any substance to act as a good antigen, it must have some characteristics like foreignness, where immune system recognizes non-self molecules like bacteria is foreign to human body. Antigen should have high molecular weight. The proteins are good antigens because of their high molecular weight, but small molecules are weak antigens. The third characteristic is about chemical complexity. In order to antigenicity, proteins are showing stronger antigenicity as chemically they are complex than that of polysaccharide and lipids or nucleic acid. So, lipids and nucleic acids are weaker in antigenicity. Chemically complex molecules triggers stronger immune response. The last good characteristic is specificity. Each antigen has specific region recognized by antibodies called as epitope. Different antibodies binds to specific epitope on the same antigen. These are the characteristics of good antigen. Now let us understand immunogen and antigen. Students often confuse between these two. An immunogen is a substance that can actually produce an immune response, but an antigen is simply a substance that can bind with antibodies or immune cell. Therefore, all immunogens are antigens, but all antigens are not immunogens. I repeat, all immunogens are antigens, but not all antigens are immunogens. Now, let us understand types of antigens. Antigens can be classified into different types depending on their origin and immune response. Some common antigens include exogenous antigen. These enter the body from outside, for example, bacteria, virus, pollens, and dust. Second one is endogenous antigen. These are produced inside body. For example, proteins produced from cancer cell. Virus produces proteins inside cell after infection. Third one is autoantigens. Here, body's own molecules that became targets of the immune system. This is the main cause of autoimmune diseases. The fourth one is complete antigen. The antigen which can trigger immune response fully. Those are complete antigens. And fifth one is incomplete antigens, which is also called as haptens. These are small molecules and cannot induce immune response alone. Because of that, they are attached to a carrier protein called as adjuvant.